Right guys, M-Tech Guy here. Now my BMW E60 M5 has just recently alerted me that the pollen filters were due for replacement. Now I've got the replacement carried out today. There's a fresh new set of filters in there now. So all that's left to do now is carry out the reset on the service indicator. So we'll take a look at the steps required to get that done. So to start off with, we're going to turn the ignition key to position 1, not starting the engine. And we're going to press and hold the odometer reset button. And because the pollen filter's due, it should come up with the icon in the center display there. So we're going to let go and press and hold that reset button again. It's asking us to reset it. Let go and press again. And there we go. Now if it doesn't come up with that pollen filter icon first, you can quickly press the odometer reset button just to scroll through the different service items until you come around to the one that you want to reset. And that's how you go about resetting your cabin filter, pollen filter or micro filter in your BMW E60. If you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW DIY content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm M-Tech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.